Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to find your old Spotify Wrapped. First, open the Spotify app on your device. Tap on the search option. Now, tap on the search bar and type in Wrapped followed by the year you want to check. For example, type Wrapped 2023 and hit search. You will see your top songs in 2023. Tap on it to view your top songs for that year. While you won't get the usual animation, you can scroll through the playlist and listen to your favorite tracks. To check other years, just repeat the process by typing Wrapped and the year you want. This way, you can relive the music from previous years. I hope this helps you find your old Spotify Wrapped. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.